Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Arduino to control solar power automatic ambient lighting sensing for corridor lighting system. And I'm gonna take Arduino UNO. So this will be my digital input and output for controlling signal pass through, receive signal, and send and output LED to turn on. So I'm gonna take my sensor, IR sensor, which is 3-pin, positive, negative, and output. So this output are gonna connect to the Arduino pin number 2, which is digital output, and for the positive terminal will connect to VCC Arduino, and ground will be connected to ground on Arduino, and digital input pin on Arduino for out. So this is the 3-pin is here. And I'm also gonna take a relay. This is relay module, so I will select it for 5 volt as my motion sensor, IR sensor, and my LED. So this is my the relay input power supply. So for relay, my relay input is the ground will connect it to the ground on Arduino, and in 1 I will use pin here, in 1 and in 2. So I will gonna use my, for this my code is pin 1, so I will use in 1 and BCC. So BCC will connect it to the Arduino 5 volt on Arduino. So this is my relay input and digital output pin Arduino, which is we connected to the Arduino on rail for the relay, connected to the pin number 8, and normally common, so that this other part of the relay I will using common 1 as I'm taking for relay 1. So I will using for common to normally open to light source LED or whatever light I use for. So today I'm gonna show you how to use this as to light on for corridor lighting in order to save costs, energy save, and also environmental and sustainable. So let's do it for my complete or start my project. Let's set up now. Okay, this is my Arduino. I will gonna use this Arduino to connect. So let's do it now. First of all, I'm gonna take my pin ground for black wire. I think is the better to identify which is grounded, and also I'm gonna use green for VCC. I'm gonna use the Arduino digital signal, so I will use in 1 green color, and I using PCC to the Arduino positive. Okay, so that's my relay module for input, and then I will connect my PIR sensor, which is motion sensor. So this is my PCB board for positive and negative terminal. I just highlighted here. This will be my positive terminal, which is from Arduino, and this is from negative terminal from Arduino. So let's go connect it to the ground, to the negative terminal on the Arduino, and positive terminal to my 5V in Arduino. Okay, so let's go do the connect to the motion sensor, which is connected in there is a 3-pin which is connected positive to positive terminal, negative to negative terminal, and this will be connection my PIR sensor, and my motion sensor will be using pin 2. So that is my motion sensor. Okay, then we connect our relay. So the relay will connect in relay module will use for digital output pin on Arduino, pin number 8, and finally I'm gonna connect my relay BCC to the positive terminal, which is from Arduino. Let's connect closely so that if I still need to have another connection, I can still connect it. So this is negative terminal. I go to connect on my PCB negative terminal. Okay, so this is my input is connected. Now I will connect my LED. Let's do it a simple test for this to detect my relay before I connecting to the actual my LED light.